Hey guys, today I would like to show you how to edit pictures in Stock Gallery app on REALME Note 60. Firstly, go into Photos. Now tap on the picture that you would like to edit and tap on this pencil icon on the bottom, Edit. Now you're going to see different sections of editing, and after you've done your editing, all you have to do is just tap on, wait, I'll make some adjustment. So now just tap on save in the bottom right corner. And yeah, that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.